Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself trying to organize data in Google Sheets and wish all your columns look neat and uniform, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to make every column the same width, super useful if you're prepping a report, a roster, or just want your sheet to look clean and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly adjust multiple columns at once and give your spreadsheet that polished edge. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Sheets document and take a look at the top row. It's where the column letters like A, B, C, and so on are displayed. What you want to do is select all the columns that you want to adjust. To do this, bring your cursor to the very first column letter at the top of your sheet. Click on that letter, hold down your mouse, and then drag it across to highlight all the columns you want to set to the same width. For example, maybe you want columns A through F to be the same size. So just drag from A and keep going all the way to F. You'll see those columns get highlighted together, which means whatever action you take next will apply to all of them at once. Now, once you have those columns selected, go ahead and click anywhere inside that highlighted area right at the top where the letters are. You'll see a menu pop up, and from here you want to look for the option that says Resize Columns AF or whatever range you selected. This option is key because it tells Google Sheets you want to adjust the width for every selected column, not just one at a time. It's a big time saver compared to changing them individually, so don't skip this step. When you click Resize Columns, a new dialog box will appear asking how wide you want the columns to be. It might feel a little technical because it asks for the width in pixels, but don't let that throw you off. Pixels are just a way to measure screen space. If you're not sure what pixel number to use, you can always try something in the 100 to 150 range as a starting point. For example, entering 120 will set all selected columns to a moderate, readable width. If your content is mostly numbers or short text, you might go smaller. If you have longer phrases, try a larger value. Carefully type your chosen pixel value into the box. This is the magic moment. By setting the same number for all, you're ensuring every column will line up evenly, making your sheet look sharp and much easier to read. Sometimes previewing the data helps, so if you aren't sure, don't stress. You can always undo and adjust as needed. Finally, press OK to apply your changes. Give it a second and watch as all your selected columns instantly snap to the same width. It's kind of satisfying, right? Matching columns not only looks better, but it can actually make your sheet easier to work with, especially if you plan to share it or print it out. And that's it, super quick and simple, but makes a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips? Drop your comments below. I love hearing what you're working on. And if you want more straightforward, clear tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.